I'm sorry for what Peter said earlier.
It's okay, he's right. It is a piece of shit car.
No, I mean, you're not a loser. And I'm not out of your league.
You're not?
I just wanted to make sure.